Wow. Yeah, that could have caught on fire. That could have caught on fire. Happy New Year. And I got something to show you. Future videos to come. So I decided to utilize that compressor, and I think I'm going to offer a dryer vent cleaning service. I just was testing it on my house, and man, look at all that khaki in there. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that, and more videos to come. I was going to video this today, the process, but it's, as you can see, it's pretty crappy out. It's went from rainy to snow, and I didn't want to bring you all along for that. So, but in future videos I will be showing you how to properly clean your dryer vents. So as you can see, wow, there's a lot of lint down there. Look at all that lint next to my igniter. That is crazy. I'm really glad I started cleaning this. Wow. Yeah, that could have caught on fire. That could have caught on fire. That's not cool. Not cool. And you can see all the lint down there. We try to keep that lint trap clean, but this is a Speed Queen. We've had this for 4 years, and this is the first time I cleaned this one. $20 bill. Okay, so that's a little better than what it was, obviously. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on this now a little bit more often, probably once a year. This should be cleaned. Like I said, it can cause house fires if you're not careful. According to the U.S. Fire Administration, clothes dryers are responsible for more than 15,000 structure fires each year, and 80% of those are due to clogged dryer vents. And also the possibility of fumes backing up into your home through the clogged vents. The gases and carbon monoxide that should be released outside could potentially back up into your home, causing an air quality issue for you and your family.